Start by grilling the sampi fillets in a pan with a little olive oil. Place them in a baking dish, also greased with olive oil, and set aside. Your fish should be seasoned for at least a couple of hours before starting the recipe. I use a simple seasoning: salt, lemon, and black pepper, but you can season it as you prefer. Slice hearts of palm until you have 1 cup. Also measure out 1 cup of fresh peas, which you can buy frozen. In the same pan you used for the fish, add 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 finely chopped garlic cloves, the hearts of palm, and the peas. Mix well. Place the sautéed mixture over the fish fillets. Now add 1/3 of a cup of milk and 1 container of creamy cheese spread and heat this mixture in the microwave for 30 seconds. Add 1 cup of shredded mozzarella, pour white sauce over the fish. You can use the cheeses you like the most. This time I chose mozzarella and parmesan, which should be added at the end. And then just put the dish in the oven at 200 degrees to brown.